It's our second full day in Vietnam. Oh, hold on.
Hello, I'm looking for two people. Shani.
That's
Direct.
me. That's me.
Okay,
Hi.
two people.
Ciao. We're in Hanoi right now. We just left our hotel. We just hopped on a bus and today we're doing a day trip to Ha Long Bay. It's gonna be kind of a long bus ride there and then we're gonna be getting on a boat. I'm so excited. I've seen pictures and it just looks like a really amazing place. So yeah, that's where we're headed. Welcome to day 2 in Vietnam. Stopover. There's kind of like a shopping center in here and I just bought something, a little bag. So after like a 2-hour bus ride we made it to Ha Long and we're headed to get on our boat right now. We just met up with our captain. He has the hat and everything and this place already looks unreal. I'm so excited.
Today. Hello.
This is our boat. So we're having a meal first as we head out to the sea. Check it out, it's Vietnamese Coca-Cola. How cool is that? We can go outside now. Let's take a look. Wow. So unreal. So this is the upstairs of the boat. Check it out. Crazy. It's so beautiful. Yeah. So we just got to our first stop. We're on an island. So there are 400 stairs, but I don't think we're gonna go the whole way. Some cold water. I don't have the stamina to do all 400 steps, so we're stopping at this midpoint.
Oh yeah. Oh, what it? Oh,
How cute!
what's going on?
We made friends at lunch. So we both changed into our shorts and I got a coconut. It's a full coconut. And look where we are. Look where we are.
It's so clear. Wow.
So we are now getting ready to hike up to a cave. We made it to the cave. There's the entrance.
It's water.
That's what I can't
Water
tell.
in
It's
there.
water?
Yeah.
I was like, is there a net? That's so. Oh, so that's the reflection of the top.
Yeah.
I was like, what's happening in there?
I've never been in a cave before. I've never been in a cave before. This is my first time. It's also very creepy. Now we're in a tiny space.
I'm gonna open up right now.
Okay. Now the tiny space is open.
As you see, the water cannot dropping again. It made to dry out, right?
So for our last activity on this tour, we're going out on a bamboo boat. It's nice.
Dreamy, breezy we go.
Just give me a